Hey y'all, it's Brittany. Bear with me because if you can't tell, I am sick. I have products I want to show you and I'm tired of being sick, so I'm just putting 2024 and being in the part where I'm like, you know what, screw it. I'm going to record even if I'm sick because I don't want to miss opportunity to show realness, but at the same time to actually just come and be here and show up and sit with you. So we have these three, and then, okay, so we have these three. So we have 6 different shades, and they're by LA Colors, and we have Gleam, Glam, and Twinkle. Gleam, Glam, and Twinkle, and then, Jesus, Glowing, Foiled, and Glisten. Glowing, Foiled, and Glisten. So they're supposed to be loose eyeshadow metallic shimmers, and I'm going to play with them. Okay, I'm going in with the Gleam first. So this is what they look like. Okay, this is what it looks like once it's open. So you can definitely use the cap to like pour in here. And then there is a little foam piece. If you don't want the foam piece, I'm pretty sure you could take it out. But okay, so I actually got these tweezers from Dollar Tree also, and they are by Ioni. But they're like the little pokey tweezers that you use for your putting on fake lashes, and I've been using them to actually put on fake lashes, like doing the underneathness. So I'm trying to get inside this little thing and finally get it off. There was just like this little piece that just broke, and I'm like, no, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here as best. Okay, there we go. So I thought it wasn't gonna put out much, but it's putting out a bit. So okay, I'm gonna do my finger first, and then maybe I'll take a brush after just to see how it performs with finger and brush. Okay, so, ooh, okay, they're not playing around with pigment. Like, loose shimmers and all that are normally pigmented, and then this is a second swipe, but, yeah, so that's cool. Okay, let me grab a brush. Okay, so I grabbed kind of a flat brush. I don't know where half of my brushes went to. I'm getting annoyed. I cannot find. Okay, so it actually does a little bit better with the brush, if you can see that. Like picks up a little bit better with the brush, but then you still can blur it out and everything. So now I'm gonna go in with Twinkle. Ta-da. That is very pretty. Yeah, that's like oh my god, they look the same, but they're not. They're totally different. I don't know if you can see that or not. So the purple is Glam, and that is just I want my car wrapped in that. If you haven't heard, I do not have my Chevy no more. So sad about it, but it was taking like $200 gas every 2 to 3 days. So yeah, poor baby. But now I have a cute little blue Hyundai, and I'm like, oh, I could definitely put it in purple. That is such a pretty purple. All right, so we have Foiled. I'm just gonna show you with my finger, and then I'm gonna show you. Anyways, shade Glowing. And I think this is gonna be a really pretty bronze, like really pretty bronze color. Yeah, see, like I don't understand, but golly, that's so pretty, like so pretty. Okay, so this is shade Glisten, and I'm kind of confused on what color this is about to be. So, okay, it's a copper color. For a minute, it kind of looked black. Oh, that's the only shade that actually kind of looks like what. But still, this is more poppier. But, okay, and then I'm going to leave that shade in the thing so I can give that to my mom because she loves all those aqua teal colors. So, let me create just like a simple look that y'all could create. Okay, so, even though it seems silly and it seems clownish, I was like, I really want to pop a red. I haven't worn red in a really long time. And I was just like, I want to feel the red. Okay, this is gonna be part 2 of what I said I was gonna do in the other video because I'm trying to keep my videos under a minute. So we're gonna go in with Glisten, and we're gonna take that and then put that on the top. And I'm a little scared only because I was gonna take a brush, but I'm like, you know what? I kind of don't want this to be too heavy. So I'm just going to my finger and see how far we get. But anyways, this is a little bit darker than what I'm used to on my eyes. But I kind of already did the makeup for that. So I'm hoping it will kind of be okay. Yeah, it just gives like a sexy, smoky kind of effect. Okay, and then we're actually going to take that blue color and then put that underneath our eyes. So I think that will make it more like smoky and sexy and sultry and all that, but then with a pop of color, because that's what type of person I am. I'm like, I don't want just the smoky look, like I want something with blue. So and then this is Gleam, so okay, so I'm gonna take a brush with this. It's only because I'm going under my eyes. So, okay, let me make sure this brush has nothing on it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just because I wanted that pop of color. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Glowing, the gold one, and then I'm gonna stick that into the inner corner right here. Oh, I hope that you see how pigment that is. Oh, wow. Oh, you definitely have to see that. Okay, alrighty. That's so, oh my god, that's so empowering. Wow, okay, I don't think I needed that much, but you know what? Yeah, apparently I did. That is very pretty and very vibrant. Okay. And I wanted something here, but I don't think that silver would look all that great, being that I have the browns and all that. But okay, so I'm going to put on some eyeliner. I'm going to thicken up the mascara and then come back. But I think I want to go, since I already have the blue, I kind of want to take the blue eyeliner and kind of just like do something and create something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so this is by You Can Be, and then I think the shade was just blue, but I did a recent video of showing these. It actually comes with the blue mascara too, so. But I don't know, I was just like, I kind of want to do something that would kind of like match with that, so it almost like really blends in, so it's kind of funny. Okay, like I said, they also have blue mascara, so I'm gonna use the blue mascara on the bottom and then the black mascara on the top. So okay, maybe I shouldn't do this, but I've been wanting to add a pop of red into my like colorful looks again, and it's been a long time since I like did that, so yeah, we're gonna do blue with red and just see how well this goes. We're gonna start with this LA Colors in a shade Alluring. This is actually a really pretty red color, but it also kind of lasts a good bit, so I just don't like that it's not pencil and that it's more like whatever plastic material this is. I don't know. Anyways, sharpened, so my nose is all red because I have to keep blowing my nose. Okay, you could technically use this to fill it in because it is gel, so it glides like really nicely. But being that I also really love this Color Stay Suede Ink Revlon, I'm trying to get better at saying everything because sometimes I'll forget to say what things are. So this is in shade Breadwinner, and this is a really pretty. It's a really pretty color. I don't know, my accents be coming out sometimes, especially when I'm sick. But it also stays a really long time though. Like even through eating and everything, once it dries, it stays all day. It looks a little bit better like further away. It's not bad zoomed in, it's just I think black eyeliner might have made the top a little bit better because right now I think there's too much blue on my top, so I'll be right back. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit better. I made it where it's black here and then it just blends into that blue, so it's not as just like too much blue. Oh, I had a little bit of red. Normally it doesn't do that, so I guess I touched or something. Anyways, oh, and then I didn't even notice, but blue. Okay. Anyways, I think this look turned out really pretty, and I will have to definitely use all the different shades somewhere along the line, but they're actually really pretty, and they're gonna come in handy for not just me, but like other people who do like clients and all. That would be really cool to stick them like in your bag or your makeup box or whatever you take with you, and kind of just go all ham and use those. So that will not just do me coolness and having fun and all that, but I think a lot of makeup artists can use that handy. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for being here. Bye, y'all.